on, guys? What's up, so Damage TV? This is Damage Creator. We back in another video, and I am here on Google and shit like that, and we are going to look for some deals today on Vipon, because you know you try to find the right deal for the stuff that you need on regular sites, and just be like, you know what, I'd rather just not use this site because the site is weird. Please excuse my attire. This is my neck. This is my sleepwear. It has runs and stuff all in it, so the only time I walk outside with this on is when I check the mail. So yeah, yeah. So today we're gonna go on Vipon.com, check out some deals, hoping for a new webcam. Strictly for the laptop. I'm not sure about the desktop yet, because I'm still working with the webcam that I have now. But yeah, we're gonna check it out and see what we get. Hopefully this will not be laggy or whatever while I'm doing this. Alright, cool. So this is acting stupid, but it's alright because we're back on recording on here for a little bit. Alright, so this is Vipon. This is like the new updated version of the site. You get deals on little lamps and clothes and fans. I didn't get a fan off of here yet. I'm working on it though. I might get a fan off here. I'm not sure, but I got this AC blasting on me. I was thinking about it. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to get hair, but I already got hair on Wednesday, so I'll show you that in another video that I did, stuff like that. So I'll show you that. I'll show you that in another video. I'm actually gonna edit that video on my laptop, so we'll do that. But we're not here for hair right now. I already got the hair for, you know, my trip to Jamaica, stuff like that. We're looking for a webcam for the laptop. So let's see what we come up with. This is ridiculous. They need more. Like, I keep saying, should I contact them or something? Because I already did the coupon for that one, and I contemplate on buying that one because that was the webcam that I would want to see. But I'm just kind of like, you know what? I'm not in the mood to be looking at that right now. So let's think about something else. Should I get like a night slip or something? Or I don't know. I don't know, guys. What should I get? Because right now, the webcam is still on my mind and stuff like that. So I'd rather just do that. If you like this particular, you know, setup, let me know in the comments. I almost said, I thought I was going to say, I ain't going to say it though. But yeah, let me know in the comments how you feel about this setup. This setup looks dope to me. I got the desktop set on something nice. Stuff like that. You know what? I need shoes for Jamaica. I found the dopest of shoes, and the code wasn't valid. I'm gonna find it. So let's look up size. I almost put size 10 women's shoes. Yes, I have very big feet. Size 10. I'm giving it the feet. Nothing. Vipon, I need to do better, bro. Let me find another website. Hold on. So I'm on Facebook. I'm going through my Facebook groups. I know what you're thinking. Facebook? Bitch, what the fuck you doing on Facebook? I know. But Facebook has helped me through a lot. It actually got me some good ass deals. So I'm going on Facebook. Man. If you want to add me as a friend on Facebook, you can't be no creep, you can't be no weirdo, but you can add me as a friend on Facebook. I don't know why I acted stupid. Hold on. Alright, so we got some deals to look at on Facebook. A bath brush. Let's take a look inside, guys. What is this? A bath brush. Why is this acting slow? This is laggy. Hold on. There we go. Alright. A bath brush. What the fuck is a bath brush? Oh my gosh, why can't you? That's not a bath brush. Is that a bath brush? No, it's not a bath brush. That's a what is that? I don't want to write. Fuck that damn chat shit. Get out of there. Thank you. That chat shit, bruh. Damn, it's acting slow. Oh, that's the bath brush? I don't think I need that. Hair removal. Shoe stuff. Waterproof bags. I don't know. What y'all think? I should get waterproof. I really want this one, though. I want this keyboard so bad. Because y'all know the keyboard on my laptop is not working. There's a few letters that'll work, but the numbers, any other letter it's a messed up keyboard right now on my laptop. So it's either replace it or just buy another one. So yeah, I don't know, y'all. Let me know what y'all think in the comments what I should get, because I really want a webcam. And they had webcams, but those clothes are from last year. And I don't know, man. Just let me know. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and share the video. Click the notification bell. Let me know if I have all my videos and get all notifications. Get all of them. Get all them bitches. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going down. Like, we got to get back to doing more videos of when I'm finding good deals. So if you want good deals, holla at me. And I'll, hook you up. Stuff like that. But yeah, I'm working on another video. I'm working on the video soon after I'm done working on this one, and then I'll see you all next time. More reviews coming.